Hello kids, how are you? What are you all doing at home? I hope you all are staying indoors and listening to your parents. So today we are going to make newspaper bag. So to make newspaper bag, we will be requiring a newspaper, a punching machine. Then these are two strings which are of equal length. You can even take thread and some decorative material. Here I have taken some stickers. So now let us start. So the first step will be, I will be taking a newspaper and will place it like this. Then I am going to fold the upper part of the newspaper like this. It should be broad enough. Then you are going to turn the newspaper and place it like this. Now we have to make 3 equal parts of the newspaper. For that, firstly I will be folding one part like this and press it properly. Then I will be folding the another part and again press it. Now you have to keep this part of the newspaper below this paper flap like this. Now we are going to fold the bottom of our newspaper like this, and again we are going to press it. Now you are going to put this part of the newspaper below both the flaps like this and again press it. Push it little bit if you want. You can see here these are the 2 flaps and I have placed the bottom part of the newspaper here. So now if you can see, this is the pouch which is ready. You can use this as a pouch or a holder where you can keep your crayons, your sketch pens inside this. But if you want to carry this, we are going to make handle for our bag. Now I am going to take a punching machine and going to punch it. You just have to keep your punching machine like this and press it. So you can see there are 1, 2 and 3 and 4 holes to our paper bag. Now I'll be taking these 2 strings which are of equal length. So firstly I'll be putting the string from one hole like this and we'll be making a knot. If you don't have punching machine at home, ask your parents to help you to make this bag's handle. Then I am going to take the another end and put it from another hole and make again one knot like this. Then I am going to turn it and make the handle of another side. So again I am going to put thread inside and going to make one knot like this, and we'll do same for the another side. So now you can see our paper bag with our handles is ready. But if you wish to decorate this paper bag, you can also use some decorative material like these stickers or these flowers. You can see, or you can even use your crayons and draw the pictures. You can see I have pasted some of the flowers here. You can choose whatever you like and whatever you prefer and decorate your bag accordingly. I hope you all enjoyed making this newspaper bag and you will all make it. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Bye bye.